SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading PEB designers in Chandigarh. With their expertise in pre-engineered building, PEB, design and construction, they provide innovative and sustainable solutions to meet the diverse needs of their clients. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has earned a reputation for delivering high-quality projects that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound. As PEB designers in Chandigarh, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a comprehensive range of services, including conceptual design, detailed engineering, fabrication, and installation. They have a team of experienced professionals who work closely with clients to understand their requirements and deliver customized solutions. With their in-depth knowledge of PEB design principles and advanced technology, they ensure that every project is completed on time and within budget. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has successfully executed numerous PEB projects in Chandigarh and across India. Their portfolio includes industrial buildings, warehouses, commercial complexes, and institutional structures. They have the expertise to handle projects of any scale and complexity, providing efficient and cost-effective solutions to their clients. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other PEB designers in Chandigarh is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They adhere to international standards and best practices in design, ensuring that every project meets the highest standards of safety and durability. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name in the field of PEB design in Chandigarh. Their expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to quality have made them a preferred choice for clients seeking innovative and sustainable building solutions. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large industrial complex, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to deliver exceptional results. They also prioritize environmental sustainability by incorporating energy-efficient features and materials in their designs. Get innovative and sustainable PEB design solutions from the top-rated PEB designers in Chandigarh. Experience high-quality projects with SCON Design India Pvt Ltd.